I found this free website for graphic design. It's called Photopea. So basically free Photoshop. So let's create a new project. You can choose lots of presets like this YouTube thumbnail, and now I will recreate my old thumbnail. Let's look at my old thumbnail. I will recreate this thumbnail. So let's recreate. So we need a coding background. Okay, maybe like this. Copy image. Paste it in here. Press edit, transform scale. Okay, like this. And now, so it has like this perspective image. We need to go to edit, transform, and perspective. And we need to make it like this. Probably less. Okay, like this. So that's first thing we have. Okay, let's remove this boring background and let's add Roblox new background. Oh, maybe like, okay, let's choose this, screenshot it, paste it in here, transform it, scale, make it bigger, like this. Let's make the coding background actually smaller, so it's more. Okay, so nice. And there is a big white line, so let's add that. We need to go in shapes, line, view, you need to do white, stroke, you need to do this color and then white, and the width, let's make it like 70 pixels, and let's do like this. Okay, let's make it actually more. Yes. So now we need to place it so the image lines up together. So let's make it like this. Okay. So yes, like this. And as you can see, this is not good. We need to remove it. So let's get our eraser. Let's get it bigger. Also, you can change the size like in Photoshop with Alt and right click. And if you go up, you can change the flow or smoothness. Think. So let's get it to like 79, and we need to erase this. Okay. If you press left click and then shift here and left click here, you can make a straight line. So it's cool. Okay, let's make the coding image actually scale bigger. Okay, okay, we got this, and then we need a gray background. So we need a rectangle shape, fill it with gray color like this. Boop. Okay, let's move the layer under it so it goes like here. And as you can see, it's a little blurry, so let's add a blur. So filter. Okay, first thing, we need to rasterize this. Okay, and then these two. So filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Let's lower it like this. These two. Okay, filter, Gaussian blur. You can see it's making it a little like this. So let's make it like 6.2. This layer 2 like this. Then we need a anti-gravity logo. Okay, we have added the anti-gravity logo. Let's scale it down a little. This nice. And let's make the background white. Yes, also like so. Let's get back to it. White, and stroke you can choose black or make it like this. Okay, let's move it under the logo. Yes, like this. Edit, transform, make it a little smaller so it fits perfectly. Okay, nice. We got the anti-gravity logo here, but it's glowing, like it has this glowing effect. We need to duplicate with Ctrl J. So move it under and then press filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. You need to do like 35 pixels and like this. So now it's basically glowing. And then we need a arrow like this. We can do this one and then flip it. So let's copy image. And as you can see, it has a background and you can remove it two ways. So first one is the blend if, and you need to choose with this one, the layer, or I don't know. And as you can see, it's with a background, and then we need to flip it. So edit, transform, and flip it vertically. Yes. Okay, so we need to go to the top. Okay, let's move it a little. You can also make it like this, so the arrow is under. So we got this arrow, and now we need Roblox Studio logo too. So let's do logo. Yes, this one. I use this one. Paste in, edit, transform, and scale. Make it under the arrow so it looks like this. Okay. Okay. Nice. And then once again, I have a little bit of go effect on there. So let's add filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Yes, like this. A little of like this. Nice. That's nice. So I got this. As you can see, there is a text missing. I use custom font. Okay, so I was looking in my PC for the font, so I finally found it. So it's called Burbank Big Conde. So let's add the MCP text. So let's make it white. So as you can see in the video, it has an outline. So we need to go to blending options, which you can open by double clicking the layer. So you need to add stroke and make it a little more like this. Okay, and it's curved a little, so we need to select it and warp it. So style, arc, but make it negative like this. Yes, and now we need to rotate it. So edit, transform, and rotate. Okay, nice, like this. So double click, and there is a shadow under it. It's hard to see, but there is. So we need to add drop shadow. Change the angle to this side and make the opacity a little like this. Okay. So now I recreated my thumbnail using Photopea, the free website. So let's export it. Export as PNG, JPEG, Web, PDF, SVG, even GIF, and MP4 too. I don't know why would you use MP4 too. So let's export it, PNG, new project, change it to anti-gravity thumbnail. So that's it, and
element of surprise.